Why this 4 lines code gives 0.45 less than 0.45 is true. Python code. Below is the output. Why 0.45 is true?
Because you're actually comparing. Demo. Print calls str on floats, which prints a human-friendly version.
This is called floating point error. It arises from the fact that you want to represent infinite amount of numbers with finite amount of bytes. So adding one floating point number with another will result in a floating point number that might be just close to the actual mathematical result. Just close might mean deviation of 0.00000001 or so to the expected result. You can read more about floating point errors here, this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.